Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add a logo in Editor X in 2023. Editor X is a powerful website design and development platform that allows you to create a professional and interactive websites. So in this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of adding a logo to your Editor X website. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. First, let's just start by opening whatever browser we're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser, and of course in your case, you can use any other browser you could possibly have. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section, simply type editorx.com and hit the enter button. Once you do so, you will find yourself at the home screen normally or the main screen of Editor X. From there, you'll be able to log in into your account. Of course, you'll not find yourself at this page. So from there, you'll find a login option if you want to log in into your account, or getting started if you don't have an account and you want just to create your account. And of course, if you don't know much about Editor X or you're not used to it, you can scroll down and read more information about it. Or if it can help, of course, it's just like Wix websites. It's kind of the same. Editor X is just a little bit advanced, so it's not going to be a big deal. So once you're logged in into your account, of course, you can even log in into your account if you want to with Google account and Facebook account if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating or even logging in into your account. So once you're logged in into your account or just created your account, you'll find yourself here on this dashboard. So now, of course, let's just go and access the Editor X editor by going to whatever site I want, and I'm just going to click on this pen icon. This will access me directly to the Editor X editor, and as you can see here as a hidden, it's Wix websites editor. So as I said, it's just like the same as Wix. It's just like it. So once you are here, as you can see, this is our website. So how can we go and add our logo that we want to? So you can go first of all to this pages panel on this list panel. Just go and add a new page if you want to. Or we can simply select the page where you want to add logo. So from this page panel, as you can see, you'll find a lot of pages, side menus, sign up and login, cards and thank you, store page, blog pages, member area, booking pages. So whatever page suits you, simply go and select from these sections, then select the page. And of course, you'll have to locate the page that you want to add the logo into it. If you don't want to add the logo on any of those pages, you can simply go and click on add. And as you can see, from here, you'll have a lot of options that is provided by Editor X that you can add it to your website as pages. If you don't want any of those, you can simply go and click on add a blank page and give it a name. Of course, I'm just going to give it a test name. And from here, of course, you can go and add your logo at this blank page if you want to. So you can go now and add an image components. So go or elements. So go to this left panel and locate this elements option. It's just going to be the plus icon. Now we would like to click on this image. So from this image, as you can see, you will be able to upload and import logos from us, or we can go and use some free images from Wix or illustrations. As you can see, related apps, you can go and even download some related apps, which is pretty useful, that can provide us some images. So for us, I'm just going to click on upload and import, click on import, upload images. So once I do so, of course, I'll have to upload this from my computer. I can even upload this from Wix, from Google Drive, Facebook, Instagram, Dropbox, Google Photo, Vimeo, Flickr, DeviantArt, Dribbble, or even just upload the link or from a link. So for me, I'm just going to choose a computer and click on upload from computer. And here I'm just going to choose this one as an example. So I'm just waiting until the logo is uploaded, of course, to my Editor X, and as you can see, here's it. So now, once it's uploaded, of course, I'll have to go and simply select this logo, and then, of course, you can go and add some or adjust this image or this logo however you want. As you can see, you can crop it and edit it, adjust it. You can create a video or cut out the background. You can do whatever you want on it. So as you can see from here, you can find more settings. Once you're done, of course, you can simply click on add page or add to page. Here you'll be able to resize it or adjust the logo size or position depending on whatever you want. Then make sure to go and customize the logo design. As you can see, you'll be able to customize the design, crop it, add some filters, add some animations, or add a link to it if someone click on it, and whatever you want on it. And you will normally be good to go. So that's normally going to be it. So let me just delete this page at the moment. And here we are. Other than that, of course, you'll be able to do multiple stuff on Editorix. So you'll be able, of course, to add elements. So as you can see here, you'll be able to add some text. As you can see, we have some theme text, some titles, some paragraphs if you want to, depending on whatever you want to use it for. So as an example, if you want to explain something you would like to add, like some paragraph, if you want just to give it an idea, you can add some titles, or you can go and add some theme text if you want to. Of course, there's the option even to add some images. You can upload some images from your PC, and you will be able to add it to your editor or to your website right away. Other than that, of course, as you can see, you can even explore some images from Wix or even from illustrations. If you didn't find what you like, you can import it simply from your PC, download it from whatever website you want, and come back here and add it. You can even go and add some buttons if you want, like some people clicking on that button to shop, to send them to a link exactly, or to send them to sign up or something like that. You can use buttons from here. So as you can see, we have theme buttons, text and icons buttons, and a lot of buttons option that you can choose or that you can use. As you can see, this is for locations, for mail, and a lot of other stuff that you can go and explore by your own. So on the stripe option, as you can see, we have here some stripes, some classical ones, features, about, service. So you can go and add it if you want to. There's the decorative again. There is, as you can see, depending on the shape, on the vector art, on the video. There's even the option of adding like a video. You can even hover it and see how the video will be. So you can go and drag it, as you can see, and drop it wherever you want. So let me just go back here. And of course, other than that, you'll be able to add an example, some boxes if you want to, gallery, menu and anchor, contact forms. You can add some video and music. And of course, interactive lists, embedded code as an example. So if you have something that you want to integrate in your website as a code, you can embed it, as you can see, as HTML, or embed sites, or embed like some custom in elements. Of course, you have here some socials if you want people to have your Facebook, Twitter, I don't know, YouTube, Instagram. And of course, here there's the payment options, content manager, blog, store, booking, event, community, and my design. Other than that, you'll be able to add some sections, some pages and menus, say site design, and you'll be able even to add apps. Of course, those apps are extremely helpful and useful for a lot of other stuff. So you can add like some PayPal option to buy or some online store. You can add some comment section, all by the apps. You can even go and go here to my business option. As you can see, you'll find here your business, kind of like the dashboard, of course, and here you'll find the media, and of course you'll find here, as you can see, the content manager, and finally marketing and SEO. And finally here just gonna be the options or everything that's added in this page. You'll find it here on the layers. So that's gonna be it. So if you reached this point of this video, congratulations, you have successfully added a logo to your Editorix website in 2023. Of course, by following these steps to access the editor and do a lot of other stuff that I already mentioned in this video, you'll be able to add your logo to your whatever page you want, depending on what you want. And of course, you've just created a visually appealing brand identity for your website. So we hope this tutorial has been helpful to you, and thank you for watching and enjoy building your website on Editorix. If you like this video, make sure to leave a like down below and subscribe for our channels for more helpful tutorials like this one. And I will see you in the next video.